USAT is a key member of the Data Solutions team at MCA. Our team exists to serve our nation's critical infrastructure by creating secure communication networks that pass data wirelessly between key systems, linking remote personnel and machine assets. We have partnered with industry leaders like Cradlepoint, Digi, and Sierra Wireless that manufacture top-of-the-line 4G, 5G, and private LTE communication devices, management platforms, and accessories that suit the specific needs of a vast array of industries in a variety of IoT, branch, and mobile applications within both rural and urban environments. Along with MCA, USAT serves thousands of customers across both the private and public sectors nationwide, including electric and power companies, water and wastewater utilities, manufacturing and production facilities, retail and branch operations, and a wide swath of government agencies with focuses in areas like transportation, law enforcement, fire and EMS, public works, and more. USAT's mission is to sell, design, configure, and install cellular wireless data communications hardware and software to provide industry-targeted connectivity solutions that fit your organization's exacting needs. Our team includes skilled solutions engineers, project managers, and technicians with extensive knowledge of cellular networking system design, all working in concert to help you connect what's critical. Contact us today for a free consultation.